What's going on, everybody? Gabriel here, and today we're gonna be doing some garage work. So yeah, actually we're in the my sister's garage that I'm using as the workspace for now. There's my toolbox. It's still pretty messy. I've been organizing some tools and trying to figure out where everything's gonna go, just because again, this is just like the little area that I get to have. I don't get to have, like, this area again. So yeah, anyway, in the previous videos when I was working here, two things that bothered me the most were no lighting. So I had little to no lighting, which makes it very difficult to work on cars, and like the washer and dryer would always be on. Now I can't do anything about that, but I can do something about the lighting. So basically, just right now I went ahead and replaced, let me see, whoops, sorry, this is so weird. So basically I went ahead and replaced this fixture because I broke it a while back, and I got this little adapter that has like plugs. Now this light finally works again, which is awesome because we can turn it on and off. But the reason why we're doing that, and we got that adapter with the plug instead of like a porcelain one with the actual plug, one, because I'm lazy and cheap, and two, because we went ahead and ordered the Barina lights. Now these lights are the same ones that all the all the YouTubers get, and obviously they're recommended for a reason. Now I did have these back, let me put this down. So I did have these lights back at the other garage, the nice one that we were in for a while. I went ahead and installed them in there. So obviously the lighting was phenomenal. I don't know if I have pictures up, but if I don't, I'll go ahead and put something here. But yeah, basically it's 6 LED bars. I want to say they're 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 to 4 feet long, and it's 6 of them. Now you would think that one of them was like decently bright. One will light up the whole garage, but we want like studio type lighting, so we're gonna go ahead and put all 6. The way that I'm gonna line it up is probably like a U shape around the garage, because it's gonna be the easiest way to wire these. They do come with their little wires, with the little connectors and all that. So it does come with like connectors and little things that you can splice in and whatnot. And it also comes with like the installation kit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and basically wire it the same way that I had it back in the old garage, which was like pretty good. I guarantee you guys, this garage right now, like, the lighting is very poor. When I finish, this lighting will be like a studio. It'll be amazing. We'll be able to see everything. We won't have to worry about like the dimness and like me having to put up like random floodlights and stuff like that. This kit is only like $48, which is amazing because it's great value. And no, they don't just have to go in the garage. If you need room lighting, like my apartment doesn't have lighting in the living room, so if I wanted to, I can literally order just 1 bar and plug it in, and boom, there you go. You can wire, hardwire it to a fixture like that, or you can do what I do and basically make it removable, because just in case I need to remove it and I want to take it with me, I can. The last lights, I didn't really feel like taking it out, just because I was, again, the situation that I was in at the time. I didn't want anything to do with it, so I just left it there. It was a present. It was really nice, and it is what it is. So without further ado, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to move out the cars so I can move the ladder in, and then just basically start drilling in the things. Now, just full disclosure, I don't have a laser level, so it's gonna be super crooked, and I mean, it is what it is. I'm just gonna basically just put them up, and I know they're gonna be crooked, and I know in the comments people are gonna say, wow man, it's super crooked, these lights are crooked. I don't care, all right? Straight up, it's lighting, it's gonna be great, and it's gonna help me out in future projects and installation videos. So it's gonna make the quality just a lot better. So would you rather have dim videos, or would you rather have lit up crooked light videos that you can see everything? So you see what I mean? Like, it's just give and take, man. I'm not gonna spend $25 on a laser level that I'm only gonna use one time. I could probably use it in the future, distant future, but I'm not like a home mechanic or anything. Like, I'm not like I'm not like a construction installer or anything like that. I'm just gonna use it once right now, and yeah, whatever. I do have regular levels, but they don't work, I guarantee you that. So it's okay, we're just gonna eyeball it and just go with the flow. So I guess let's get started. Okay, so we gotta kind of like figure it out, because again, we're gonna be using the plugs that come with that to like plug it there. So that's gonna be able to control all the lights, like turn them all on and off. So I gotta kind of figure out something, because like, this is the hardest part, like trying to map it out, because I wanna put 2 here, and then I want to put the other ones there, like again, like a U, right? But that's like super far, so the plug's gonna look really weird. I'm still just gonna go ahead and run it, I guess. I'll basically make the plug from there all the way here, and then we'll just like kind of do that. Again, it's gonna be really weird to wire it up, but I mean, I've done it before, so I can do it again. So yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, I'm gonna plan it out, and then I guess I'll film when I actually do something. Okay, so I got 2 up, and I figured out how I was gonna do it, because this has 2 sockets, and this is how I did it at the last place. Basically, you just run the wire, plug it into the socket, this one plug it into the socket. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and then here we just run it, and then just run it, and then just basically the last one goes here. So it's gonna look really bright. So yeah, all I've been doing is using a punch, a Sharpie, and kind of a leveler, but as you can see, like it's not straight. But again, like I said, I don't care. We just want the functionality, which is great. So yeah, I mean, so far it looks good. There's already a ton of lighting in here, so it already, like, you can kind of already like get good results, obviously because the garage door is open and it's sunny. But like here, you know, I'm standing here and the lighting is still pretty good, or I'm standing here and the lighting is still pretty good, because like I just had it here, and you know, the lighting was really bad. And right now, because the garage door is open, but once the garage door is closed, it gets really dim and it looks just really bad. So yeah, I'm actually, I feel like they're super dark, and then boom, there's like light on my face. So I'm really excited. Even at nighttime, it gets really sketchy, so it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and I guess we'll just show you the end result, because there's not really much to show. You literally just, I use the punch, I screw in the things and put on the bracket, and then just put on the light, and that's it. So, I mean, there's tons of other videos, so I'm not a DIY, so I'm doing it myself, but I'm not trying to show you how to do it. But we'll just show you the finished result. Okay, so we're done with the lights, and as you can see, they're off, right? They're all installed and everything, so it's off right now, which of course looks pretty dim. I think I shot a video in the setting one time. Anyway, so then this is with them on. Boom. Like a lot better, obviously, way more lighting. We can definitely see things, which is great. So yeah, I mean, look at that. So yeah, I mean, like they all got installed, everything looks good. Again, it's very easy to secure. Literally just like a thin screw and all that. And then of course the one light just in case. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy. I love the lighting. Again, if we're looking at this again, super dark, kind of, you know, like the light, we have like windows and it's still pretty dark in here. And like, let's say you're doing laundry or something, you really can't see. So imagine at night, and then boom, now you can do laundry a little bit easier. And yeah, that's great. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It's super hot, obviously it's in Texas. The feel like outside is 113, the heat index, so it's very hot outside, and it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and get lunch, and then I guess we'll see you on the next video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down. I'll put the link for these lights in the description, so then that way you guys can check them out if you guys are interested. Obviously, I'm not the first one who's done these lights, so if you were thinking about getting them, absolutely no doubt. I've bought 2 sets. I'm really happy. I don't know about the longevity, but at the price, doesn't matter. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe because that helps us out with the channel grow, and that's the plan. So we'll see you on the next one. Later.